Made possible by viewers who subscribe. We test, chart, and compare so your wallet wins. Hit subscribe to keep them coming.
So first up, we have the Breville Barista Pro. It's in black truffle, which sounds fancier than it probably is, but still, looks pretty sleek, doesn't it?
Yeah, it does have a modern look, but I'm more drawn to the Gaggia Brera. It's got that classic Italian espresso machine vibe, you know? Plus, it's made in Italy, which adds to the appeal.
True, both are aiming for home espresso, but in different ways. One's giving you barista-level control, and the other is all about push-button simplicity. Exactly. Well, the Breville boasts a super fast 3-second heat-up time thanks to its thermojet heating system. That's pretty impressive if you need your coffee now.
The Gaggia uses rapid steam technology, so it's also quick, but I'm not sure if it's that quick. More importantly, it has a pivoting Panarello wand, which is great for frothing milk for cappuccinos and lattes.
Another thing about the Breville is the integrated conical burr grinder. It grinds on demand with dose control, delivering the right amount of coffee, which is super convenient and ensures maximum flavor.
The Gaggia also has an internal grinder, and that's key for a super-automatic machine, right? It makes the whole process seamless. You just fill the bean hopper with 250 grams of your favorite beans and let it do its thing. I guess the big difference is one is semi-automatic and the other super-automatic, so you're either getting hands-on or letting the machine do almost everything.
True. The Breville has that manual microfoam milk texturing, which is awesome if you want to do latte art. You can really get that velvety texture.
The Gaggia has a Panarello wand for frothing, which, while not exactly the same, can still give you good cappuccinos and lattes. It also doubles as a hot water dispenser for Americanos and tea.
The Breville also has precise digital temperature control, PID, which is important for consistent espresso extraction. It keeps the water within plus or minus 2 degrees Celsius of the optimal temperature.
The Gaggia focuses on user-friendliness with push-button controls and an LED display, making it really easy to use, even for beginners.
I saw the Breville has an LCD display with grinding and extracting progress animations. Fancy! It even gives you feedback on how to make your coffee better.
The Gaggia is all about easy access. The dregs drawer, drip tray, and water tank are all front accessible, which makes cleaning and maintenance a breeze.
The Breville comes with a bunch of accessories like single and dual wall filter baskets, a precision dose trimming tool, and a stainless steel milk jug.
The Gaggia's smaller though. At 10 DX15.5 WX11.5H, it's good if you're tight on counter space. The Breville is a bit bigger at 13.5 DX13.9 WX16 inches H.
The water tank on the Breville is quite large at 67 ounces, so you won't be refilling it constantly.
The Gaggia has a smaller 40 fluid ounce water tank, which is still decent for a few cups. So it really comes down to whether you want more automation or more control over the process. Are you a hands-on barista, or do you want a machine to do most of the work?
Yeah. Do you want convenience, or do you want to craft your perfect espresso? That's the key question to ask yourself. Don't miss out on our next in-depth review to help you make smarter purchasing decisions. Hit that subscribe button and the notification bell so you're always in the know.